Now, if you wonder how Carol got so crazy to turn up and do exciting and crazy things like this, well, she is from Masham, Quebec, Canada, and she first saw wing walking on a television commercial for a local air show. It was love at first sight. She had found her calling. She has been a professional wing walker since